Hello, my name's Steve and I work at Netley Library and I love my wok is the name of the book I'll be using today. That's right, it's by Nicola Graimes and today I'm going to be using it to cook Bombay potatoes, which is a classic Indian side dish. For this recipe you will need 6 medium-sized potatoes, scrubbed and halved if large, 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil, 1 large onion sliced, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, half a teaspoon of hot chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 3 tomatoes peeled, de-seeded and chopped. To cook, boil the potatoes in salt water until tender. Drain and leave them to cool. Once they've cooled, peel the potatoes and cut them into bite-sized cubes. Heat your wok. Add the oil and the onion and stir fry for about 3 minutes. Then toss in the cumin seeds, ground coriander, chili powder, turmeric and fenugreek and cook for another minute. Now stir in the tomatoes and 4 tablespoons of water. Season it with salt and cook it until the tomatoes become very mushy. And that's it, you can cook it on its own or as part of a whole Indian feast.